Let's find out.
Welcome back to 8 Up News. Today, we're talking about a crucial tool for any growing business: how to get a business credit card. This isn't just about swiping plastic. It's about building your business's financial independence and accessing capital when you need it. I learned this the hard way with my first business. I relied heavily on my personal credit cards, which not only blurred the lines between my personal and business finances, but also limited my growth potential. Getting a dedicated business credit card was a game changer, and I'll show you how to do it right. Part 1. Why a business credit card is essential. Before we dive into how to get one, let's quickly cover why it's so important. Separation of finances. This is paramount. Mixing personal and business expenses is a nightmare for accounting, taxes, and even legal liability. A business credit card creates a clear boundary. Oh, my story. In Brunswick, Georgia, when I first started my online venture, I kept using my personal credit card for everything. Web hosting, software subscriptions, even a new laptop. Come tax season, untangling those expenses was a massive headache for my accountant. It took hours, and I likely missed some deductions. Build business credit. Just like personal credit, your business needs its own credit history. This separate credit profile will open doors to larger loans, better terms with suppliers, and even lower insurance premiums down the line. Cash flow management. Credit cards offer a short-term line of credit, which can be invaluable for managing cash flow fluctuations, especially in seasonal businesses. Perks and rewards. Many business credit cards offer fantastic rewards tailored to business spending, like cashback on office supplies, travel points, or discounts on business software. Part 2. What you need before you apply. All right, so you're convinced. Now, what do you need to have in place before you even think about applying? This is where many new entrepreneurs stumble. 1. Legal business entity. You'll need an EIN, employer identification number, and a properly registered business structure. Whether you're an LLC, a corporation, or even a sole proprietorship, make sure it's official. My story. This goes back to our previous videos. Having my LLC properly registered and my EIN secured was non-negotiable. Trying to get a serious business card without these in place is nearly impossible. They want to see a legitimate business, not just a hobby. 2. Business bank account. Lenders want to see your business's financial activity separate from your personal life. Having a dedicated business checking account is crucial. My story. When I applied for my first business card, the bank wanted to see my business bank statements. They weren't interested in my personal checking account. This is why getting that separate business bank account, which we talked about in an earlier video, is so vital. 3. Revenue and financials. Be prepared to provide some financial information. For newer businesses, this might include your personal income as a guarantor or projected revenue. For established businesses, they'll want to see profit and loss statements. 4. Personal credit score. For most small businesses, especially new ones, your personal credit score will be heavily weighed. Lenders will often require a personal guarantee, meaning you are personally responsible if the business defaults. Focus on maintaining a good personal credit score, ideally 680 plus. Part 3. Where to apply and what to look for. Once you've got your ducks in a row, it's time to find the right card. 1. Start with your existing bank. Often, the bank where you have your business checking account is a great place to start. They already have a relationship with you and understand your business. My story. My local bank here in Brunswick, where I have my business checking account, was the first place I looked. They were much more willing to work with me and offered competitive terms because they already knew my business operations. 2. Compare offers. Don't just take the first offer. Look at various lenders, large national banks, online lenders, and even credit unions. Annual fees. Is there one, and is it worth the rewards? Interest rates, especially if you plan to carry a balance sometimes. Rewards. Program. Cashback, travel points, or points on specific business spending categories, e.g., office supplies, gas. Spending limits. Make sure it's adequate for your business needs. Reporting to business credit bureaus. This is critical for building your business credit. Make sure they report to at least one, ideally all three, Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. Part 4. Building business credit responsibly. Getting the card is just the first step. Using it wisely is how you build strong business credit. Pay on time every time. This is the most important factor in any credit score. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Keep utilization low. Try to keep your credit utilization, the amount you use versus your total limit, below 30%. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your business credit reports and personal, if you're a guarantor, for errors. Getting a business credit card is a vital step toward financial independence for your company. It separates your personal and business finances, helps you build a strong credit profile for your business, and provides valuable flexibility. Take these steps and you'll be well on your way. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial or legal advice. My experience is unique to me, and you should always consult with a qualified professional to get guidance tailored to your specific business needs. The content shared is based on my personal experience in Brunswick, Georgia, United States.